Guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are playing Grow a Garden, the new update of lunar event. And welcome to my garden. It's little too crowded and little too laggy. Let me get the no, not the hedgehog. Let me get the cat. What does the cow do? All plants with 8.14. Wait guys. Yo, back guys. My mom just called me. Let me go to seeds and get some new seeds. So then, no is no. This is an equipment. Here. Wala na yung gasolina. By the way, I am a Filipino. I am a proud Filipino, guys. Because I speak Tagalog. Tama no, lagi bala. Don't turn the flag upside down, guys, because you get the Filipino in war. Don't do it because President Duterte will come to your house and he will start a war between you and me. But today's collection we are collecting some big juicy grapes and I don't know, anything that we can get 1 billion. This, by the way, this is part 1, guys. Part 1. Don't trust some players from Grow a Garden because other players will scam you. I will do part 2 tomorrow. By the way, this is the first part. Boom. We can reach 1 million, 10 billion of this. But I am not getting all of the fruit because the lunar event is here. Let's go to the lunar event, guys. By the way, the singing guy is so loud. By the way, I'm gonna come back, guys, because this is taking too long. Guys, I'm gonna AFK. I'm gonna start recording it if 50 seconds is starting. Yo, I'm back because the lunar event is gonna start right now. Yes. Dili na lago ang uban. Let's start off placing. Bro, shut up. Let's start. Wait, guys. Yo, I'm back, guys. Let me place a lunar ay staff of lunar night staff. I forgot. Let me place it in. Let me place this in here. What is the range? Let me get the other this boom. Let me find the other this. Boom. Let me get that. The others. One. Boom. Let me find some. Boom. Ready to go. Ooh, golden. Bro, where's the others? Palunga sa S! Palunga. Palunga. Kanang off gyud. Apa? Wait, is that a rainbow? Nah, that is not a rainbow. Guys, it's so loud in my house because in our house because there's a singer in our house. What? Wait, guys. Let me find the others. Wait guys, we're gonna eat. Yeah guys, this is all for today. So please like and subscribe and goodbye.